During home renovations, a man in Turkey knocked down a basement wall and accidentally stumbled into an ancient 18-story underground city built to shelter 20,000 people deep beneath the earth. The year is 1963. In the dry, volcanic landscape of Cappadocia, Turkey, a local resident was renovating his home in the town of Derinkuyu. After striking down a cave-like wall in his basement, he was shocked to find a dark, hidden passageway stretching into the earth. Following the tunnel, he uncovered a vast, intricate network of hand-carved stone rooms, staircases, and ventilation shafts. He had unknowingly reopened the gateway to Derinkuyu, a massive subterranean metropolis, carving nearly 280 feet straight down into the volcanic rock, capable of housing up to 20,000 residents along with their livestock, grain, and water supplies. It stands as one of the most astonishing engineering anomalies in human history. But who built this massive subterranean city? And what terror forced an entire civilization to retreat beneath the earth? Archaeologists trace the earliest construction back to the Phrygians in the 8th century BC, with later expansions by Byzantine-era Christians escaping Arab-Byzantine wars. Derinkuyu was not merely a temporary shelter. It was a fully functional, impenetrable subterranean fortress. The city featured wine presses, stables, chapels, schoolrooms, and hundreds of storage rooms. To protect against invaders, every level could be individually sealed from the inside using massive, half-ton circular stone doors that could only be rolled shut from within, leaving attacking armies completely helpless on the outside. The next century, ancient civilizations construct subterranean networks, turning raw volcanic tufa rock into hidden sanctuaries of survival. 400 years later, forgotten maps fade into folklore as populations return to the surface, leaving massive underground cities lost beneath ordinary basements. Every era, humanity leaves behind architectural marvels hidden just beneath the surface, waiting for a single random moment to rewrite history. The true genius of Derinkuyu lies in its master-class engineering. To sustain 20,000 people underground for months at a time without suffocation, ancient architects carved over 15,000 ventilation shafts. The central air shaft plunged 180 feet deep, drawing fresh air straight from the surface and distributing it through thousands of secondary tunnels to the deepest levels. Furthermore, the city's water supply was completely isolated from surface interference. The main wells were routed deep underground, intentionally unlinked to the surface level to prevent invading armies from poisoning the water supply. It was a closed-loop survival ecosystem engineered thousands of years before modern ventilation systems even existed. But what if the homeowner in 1963 had simply patched the hole in his basement wall and kept moving, leaving Derinkuyu undiscovered for another century? Without the accidental discovery of Derinkuyu, our understanding of ancient engineering, siege warfare tactics, and subterranean survival technology would remain completely incomplete. It reminds us that vast hidden layers of human history are still waiting just inches behind the walls of our everyday world. And what about you? Do you believe ancient societies built Derinkuyu solely to survive human invasions? Or were they hiding from a catastrophic surface threat that history has forgotten all about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you would like to explore more ripples in history and in life, please hit subscribe and join me on the Ripple Trace.